Welcome back to my channel, everybody. I was in Corning, New York at the Corning Museum of Glass and Watkins Glen International Racetrack Winning Wednesday fan event. So check out some of these cars that I found. Those are a cool Volkswagen Scirocco, and Bill Elliott's car from the 90s was there. Check this out. What's up, guys? I'm at Corning Museum of Glass in Corning, New York, and they got a car show down here. So let's go check it out and see what they got. This is pretty cool. This is a 1998 M3. That is cool. BMW was built by the Little Speed Shop for high performance driving schools and racing events. Rochester, New York. It's a 98 M3. That's pretty badass. That is a cool car. 1998 M3. I have not seen this one. All these cars I've seen before, but not this one. Let's check out the inside.
Okay. Oh, fantastic.
Pretty cool. Let's see what's next to it. It's a 2024. This is a 2024 M2.
Cool. Awesome. So I know that you're probably racing, right?
That looks pretty cool too.
Okay. Well, we're gonna see you.
Do a walk around. They have some race cars here. Hooked on Driving. They do a lot of drifting. They're just up the Watkins Glen last weekend. You can pay some money and they take you in the cars and go drifting. They have drift classes too. Let's see what else we got. I got Martin Truex's Toyota Camry. Martin Truex Jr.'s race car. Walk around. I'm not sure. Well, next to that, we got Brian Vickers' 2012 Toyota Camry. I got the hood open on this one. Let's check this out.
Toyota. Why I say 106?
So 2012, I don't know how much horsepower they had in 2012. I'm thinking like 600-700 horse. I'm not sure. Check out the back. You got your fuel cell. Let's check this one over here. This is Bill Elliott's 1992 Ford Thunderbird. So the car was raced by Bill Elliott during the 1992 NASCAR Cup Series season. This chassis is believed to have won 4 races in a row: Rockingham, Richmond, Atlanta, and Darlington. They got a Watkins Glen race at NASCAR Watkins Glen race in August coming up. That's pretty cool. Now let's go check out the cars that are here. I found a Volkswagen Scirocco. I had not seen this one around here either. That is pretty cool. It's a 1980 Scirocco. There's nobody around here. I don't know who owns it. That's pretty cool. Probably Volkswagen guys out there. I like the wheels. That's pretty cool. 1980 Scirocco. Got a Scat Pack Charger next to it. Over here we got a Lexus. Do a walk around. Check out the interior. It's a 93. Yeah, you're ready for some drifting there, huh? That's cool. Let's walk around and see what else we can find. I've made a couple videos on this 1967 Chevelle SS before. It has a 468 big block.
We're all set.
Do you want to hear what that 468 sounds like? I got you. We got a Toyota Celica. SS. It's an SS3. Right-hand drive. Obviously it was imported. That's pretty cool. Move on down here.
That looks the same color.
There's a Mercedes AMG SLK 32.
Yeah.
2003. I remember this car. You remember me? With my granddaughter? I mean, I posted a video about this.
I remember.
Yeah? This is a factory Five Racing Cobra. You've had this since 98?
98.
98?
Yeah. I never heard the whole history of that. How did AMC? I'm out in it a lot.
Yeah? Oh, I would too. Hey, you said you had 500,000 miles on this, on the chassis.
This
Yeah.
body's got about, just barely about 500, 800, around that range miles, 500, 800 miles. I
Yeah.
have to go hunt my speedometers up to figure out
Yeah.
what the odometer's on. Somewhere around there. Yeah, you look at a lot of those CJs on the
That last weekend I got up to Watkins Glen. I was late. I didn't get there till like 3:30, 4 o'clock. Everybody was gone. I was like, shoot, I missed everybody.
There was a lot of cars up there.
Yeah, I saw all the pictures and stuff.
Hello.
This owner, I've already talked to him before. I made a video. I got a shorts and a reel on this car. He's had it since 1998, factory 5 Racing. This is a 302 that's been stroked to 347. This is the second engine that's been in this. He's got 500,000 miles on this chassis. 500,000. That's crazy. Check out the interior.
For me, the reason was that it would be very lightweight. And then the engine is pushed way back, so that instead of having the engine
Factory 5 Racing. That's pretty cool. Over here, I'm not a big Volkswagen guy, but this Volkswagen, I think it's a Jetta wagon. I'm not sure. Let's check this out. This is pretty cool. Got Audi wheels on it. I'm guessing it's tuned. That is pretty cool. I like that. Like that Volkswagen. Next to that, we got an LS9 supercharged Corvette. 2010 ZR1. That's pretty nice. 2010 ZR1. That's pretty cool. Somebody's leaving. Let's do a little walk around.
This big tube here that comes off the engine. It was in the shape of a
That is that Lexus down there. That is a drift car. That is pretty cool. If you like car content, then you need to check out my over 1,000 different shorts. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.